So it's week 1 of full excavation, and as you can see the team are on site on trench 3 behind me, which is the trench over the villa, and the first task of today really is to clean back the remains of the topsoil, to expose the archaeology, brighten up the colours that have baked dry over the weekend so that we can really see what's going on. We've already found pieces of pottery, some beautiful Roman glass from a bottle or something like that. So, cracking finds already.
Leave that stuff, that's good. Okay. It's this darker stuff, potentially.
It's the first morning, so we're really just tidying up, but we've already found a really interesting Roman coin which initially looks as if it might be mid to late 4th century. Again, it's early days, you don't want to jump to conclusions, but I think the evidence so far is bearing out our suspicions that this is a quite high status Roman site.
Caroline?
What have you got, Rob?
That's the Roman coin.
Oh, nice! So that's just come out of that spoil there, has it? Brilliant! Great things to come.
Well done, Rob.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm really enjoying it. It's perfect weather for it. It's going really, really well. And especially you can see everything that you're turning up as well, so it is easy to spot things. It's amazing. I can't wait to carry on.
I'm sure that volunteers are really essential for a job like this. It's very meticulous, it's very labour intensive, and the only way that you're going to achieve anything is with volunteers giving their time and their efforts to make it happen.
Finds of today, we've got this wonderful spindle whorl that's appeared. So made of ceramic, it would have been used in the spinning process. So we've got lots of nice domestic activities going on, which is great. And the other thing that's coming up behind me is a possible drain or flue for a hypercaust that starts outside the building and actually runs all the way in. And as I walk along it, past these very happy diggers, you will hopefully see the line of it as we come through. So you've got the faced stones on the left and the right, and then a rubble core in the fill. So this is the bit where we're still working, but you can see the face on the left. In fact, Dave, can you just point out that left face for us?
Probably about here.
Perfect. And it runs all the way through the wall into the building and possibly ending around there.